In this video, I will show you how you can activate Maya Mobile eSIM on Android device. So the first and the most important step is you need to head over to maya.net and make sure to sign up with your account. Once you have signed up, simply purchase your eSIM plan, whichever plan you want to go with. Once you have purchased your eSIM plan, you will going to receive a QR code on your email or within the website. Now once you have received the QR code, you just need to head over to your device settings now. And once you are in, you just need to look for the option of connection or mobile network. If you have connection, you just need to click on it and then you just need to go for SIM manager. If you don't have connection, you just need to click on mobile network and then you just need to click on the eSIM. Then you just need to make sure to add the eSIM and click on next on the bottom right. Now you just need to make sure to scan the QR code that you have received from your Maya mobile. And once you have scanned the QR code, it might take few minutes to download your eSIM, so make sure to be patient. Once the eSIM is completely downloaded, you can then head over to your device settings again and then go for your eSIM section. There you will going to see Maya Mobile, which is currently disabled, so make sure to click on the three dots and then tap on the enable. So that's the way of how you can activate Maya Mobile eSIM on Android.